Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best corded drills on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Black+Decker Corded Drill. Black+Decker is quite a popular brand of power tools that is known for making value for money products. This is also true for the corded drill from Black+Decker mentioned in this article. The Black+Decker DR260C corded drill is present in the first position in this article as it is the cheapest option here. You also get a decently powerful 5.2 amp motor in this corded drill that is quite powerful for the given price. It powers its 3/8 inch chuck with a speed of 1500 RPM. Despite its affordable price tag, it comes with various accessories that can be quite handy and make it an excellent value for money option. You can easily store your drill bits within the corded drill for easy access. And it comes with a variable speed trigger that allows you to drill in different surfaces and objects precisely. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewalt Corded Drill. Dewalt is one of the most reliable and reputable power tools brands out there. And it offers a great option if you are looking for a corded drill. Dewalt's DWD-115K corded drill is present in the second position in this article as it offers great performance while being highly reliable. You get an 8 amp motor in this corded drill. And since this is a Dewalt product, you can also expect a great build quality while being quite compact with a 3/8 inch size chuck. This chuck can spin at a rotation speed of up to 2500 RPM. And you can easily change the rotation speed since it comes with a variable speed trigger. The soft grip mid-handle of this corded drill makes it quite ergonomic while performing drilling operations. You also get various accessories with this corded drill that can be quite useful. Number 3. Our third best pick is SKIL 6335027.0 amp corded drill. SKIL is a highly rated brand of power tools that offers various options out there. It also provides a great option if you are looking for corded drills for home or industrial usage. This SKIL 63350 corded drill offers a 7 amp motor that provides a great performance. You get a 1/2 inch keyed chuck in this drill that is much safer than non-keyed chucks. And it is able to offer a rotation speed of 950 RPM. Thankfully, the build quality of this corded drill is quite decent for its given price. You also get a side handle in this drill for controlled and precise operation. And its variable speed trigger is quite useful for drilling in different surfaces and objects. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Porter Cable Corded Drill. Porter Cable is quite a great option if you are looking for value for money power tools out there. Even though this corded drill from Porter Cable is one of the cheapest options in this article, it offers a great build quality. It is quite reliable when compared with other budget options. It provides a decently powerful 6 amp motor that powers its 3/8 inch chuck. This chuck can spin at a maximum rotation speed of 2500 RPM. You can easily use and control this corded drill due to its simple controls, including the lock-on button. The keyless chuck allows you to quickly and easily change different drill bits while using this corded drill. And it comes with a belt clip on the side that can be quite handy for easily carrying this drill on your waist. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is CRAFTSMAN Corded Drill. From compact hand tools to heavy outdoor equipment, CRAFTSMAN brand has all kinds of power tools in store. The brand has everything you need to make your handyman work and DIY projects easier. This corded drill comes with a powerful 7-amp motor that runs at a maximum speed of 2,500 RPM. That makes this drill an ideal tool for all your household repairs. It also comes with a variable speed trigger that lets you control the speed even better. Moreover, the drill has a lock-on feature that halts the tool when not in use. It comes with a keyless chuck with a shaft diameter of 3/8 inch that lets you conveniently tighten or loosen a lot of tools and change the bits quickly. However, you can't use this drill if you are planning to make large holes on a hard surface, for which you will need a keyed chuck. Measuring 10.3 into 2.15 into 9.75 inches and weighing 4.13 pounds, you can handle this user-friendly tool with ease. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.